In this video, you'll learn how to build customer portals using Base44. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to create an effective portal tailored to your needs. Start by navigating to the Base44 website, open a web browser and enter the URL for Base444. Once the site loads, you will be greeted with the main interface, which provides various options to start your project. Next, you will see a prompt that encourages you to describe your app idea. You can either type your concept into the provided field or explore the available templates for inspiration. This step is essential as it sets the foundation for your customer portal. After entering your app idea, type in Create a Customer Portal in the appropriate field. This action will help the platform understand your specific requirements. Once you complete this, ensure you press the Enter key on your keyboard to proceed. Once you press Enter, the application will begin processing your request. A loading indicator may appear while the system prepares the necessary elements for your portal. Patience is important here, as this could take a moment depending on the complexity of your. Following this, you will see a message indicating that your idea is being built. This confirmation assures you that the process is underway. Take a moment to review the design elements suggested by Base44. After that, you will be prompted with a message that allows you to plan out your portal design. This is where you can customize various aspects of your portal, ensuring it has a clean and elegant design that meets your requirements. Next, look for a notification and click on the Close Notification button. This action will remove any distractions from your workspace, allowing you to focus on building your portal without interruptions. Now, click on the AI chat or prompt feature. This tool can assist you in refining your design and addressing any queries you may have during the building process. Then navigate to the dashboard section. This area will provide you with an overview of your project and allow you to manage different aspects of your portal more effectively. After accessing the dashboard, click on the preview option. This step is crucial as it lets you see how your portal will appear to end users before finalizing it. Once you select preview, you will need to wait for Base44 to generate the final version of your customer portal. This may take some time depending on the features and complexity of the portal you have created. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.